Welcome to the next class. Now I'm going to start up with the table coding in Java. Let me open up with the Notepad++ and then I'm going to type my coding. Before that, I'll save it as table so that I can have my class name as table. I have to change my drive. Then I have to find out my location of my folder, and there I have to save table.java. This is the class name as well as the file name. Now I'm going to import my header. Import space java dot io dot star and import space java dot util dot scanner, or let us take it as star. Then include the class name table. After that, it's my public static void main. I'm going to type it so that I can get my argument value in my string declaration. It is string space args, and after that I'm going to open up with the runtime getting value. Scanner space object of the scanner, let me keep it as in, equal to new scanner system dot in. Then after that I'm going to declare my value. It's int I and let me keep it as t. After that I'm going to get my value. System dot out dot println with a name. Enter the table. Which table I have to display? I have to get the value here and get the value as, let me keep it as n. N is equal to in dot next int. I'm converting my string value into the integer value. I'm going to get the limit next. Enter the table limit. Let me keep this as t. This is how I'm going to get my value. Then after that I'm opening with the condition. System dot out dot println. First I'm going to get the value of t. Let t be the table and n be the number of limit. T plus concatenating it and inserting a multiply symbol, this and n. Then after concatenating it and get the value equal to and get stored to the value I into t. This is how I'm going to get the values and going to store. Before that I'm going to open up my for loop. For I equal to 1 semicolon I is less than or equal to n semicolon I plus plus. This is how I'm going to open up my loop and closing my loop, then closing my classes, and after that I'm going to save the file. This is the coding for table creation in Java. Then I'm opening up my command prompt. I'll keep this side and change my drive to get the exact location of my file. Since it is easier to compile, I'm going through my batch file. Java space proc, changing my drive, calling my batch file. These both are my class batch files. Then I'm going to compile my table program, table dot java. Since it is compiling, it takes time and I have 3 errors hereby. I'm going to find it out. In this line I'm having my errors. I have to concatenate right here. Yeah, this is how we can concatenate the value, and then I have to compile it. If there is an error, oh, it's not an error, then I'm going to display my table. It's having us enter the table. Let me have my 5 tables, and I have to enter the limit. I'm entering the limit as 10. Yeah, this is how we will obtain a table display in our command prompt. This is the coding, and this will be the output for the table creation. See you in next class. Thank you.